Okay, for this one we're doing standard form. So when it's in standard form, you want to identify a, b, and c. So for this one, a is 1, because that's what's in front of the x squared. B is 4, and c is 4. We find the axis of symmetry by using our formula, x equals negative b over 2a. So since our b is 4, we're going to get negative 4 divided by 2 times our a was 1. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So our axis of symmetry is x equals negative 2. To find the vertex, we plug that negative 2 into the original equation, which was x squared plus 4x plus 4. So y equals negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 4. So we get y equals 4 minus 8 plus 4, which gives us negative 4 plus 4. So y is equal to 0. So our vertex is at negative 2, comma 0. So that's right there. We can go ahead and sketch in our line of symmetry. And then from here you need at least one more point. In standard form, finding the y-intercept is usually the easiest because the y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. So you're going to say y equals x squared plus 4x plus 4, and you're going to plug the 0 in for x. So 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 4. So the y-intercept is just positive 4. You may remember that if it's in standard form, c is your y-intercept, so you might not have to do any work there. So we have a y-intercept of positive 4. We can mirror that point on the other side, and so for this one we don't need to make an xy table because we had enough points. If our vertex was on the y-axis and so we couldn't find the y-intercept, we would want to go ahead and make a table, and you would start at the top of that table with your vertex, and then you would just plug in whatever the next two values of x are.